Let's explore the useReducer hook in React. This hook is all about managing complex state logic in your applications. It provides a way to handle state transitions in a predictable and organized manner. Managing complex state logic with useReducer. So what exactly is useReducer? It is a React hook designed for managing complex state logic through a reducer function. Think of it as an alternative to useState, especially useful when your state logic starts to become more intricate. It's your go-to tool when dealing with multiple state updates or when your state values depend on each other. When should you consider using useReducer? Well, it's particularly handy in scenarios where you have complex state logic involving multiple state values that depend on each other. Also, if you find yourself dealing with multiple actions that can update the same state, useReducer can help streamline your code and make it more maintainable. Let's take a look at the basic syntax of useReducer. You typically declare it like this: const square brackets state dispatch close square brackets equals useReducer parenthesis reducer initial state parenthesis close semicolon. Here, state represents the current state value, and dispatch is a function used to trigger state updates. The reducer function specifies how the state should be updated, and initial state is the starting value of the state. Now let's dive deeper into the reducer function. This function is at the heart of useReducer. It takes two arguments, the current state and an action. Based on the action type, it determines how the state should be updated and returns the new state. The reducer function takes the current state in action, then returns the new state. Let's look at a complete example of how to use useReducer. Here we define a counter component that utilizes useReducer to manage a count state. The dispatch function is used to trigger actions like incrementing the count. Function counter open parenthesis close parenthesis open curly bracket. Const open square bracket state dispatch close square bracket equals useReducer open parenthesis reducer open curly bracket count 0 close curly bracket close parenthesis semicolon. Return open parenthesis less than / do greater than less than p greater than count colon open curly bracket state dot count close curly bracket less than / p greater than less than button on click equals open curly bracket arrow function dispatch open parenthesis open curly bracket type colon quote increment quote close curly bracket close parenthesis close curly bracket greater than plus less than / button greater than less than / dot greater than close parenthesis semicolon close curly bracket. Let's compare useReducer with useState. While useState is great for simple state updates and single values, useReducer shines when dealing with complex state logic, multiple related values, and predictable updates. In essence, useReducer offers more control and predictability when managing state in your React applications. Finally, let's highlight some key benefits of using useReducer. It promotes predictability by centralizing and controlling state changes. Additionally, reducer functions are pure and easy to test, making your code more robust and maintainable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.